Welcome back to Intables, everyone. So we saw a major breakout today with Bitcoin jumping all the way up to 66,000. Looking to see if we can hold that level and continue on past it. We saw a major breakout today with SOS. Continue to break continue highs going to extended hours. I want to make sure we do cover exactly which levels we do need to hold above to continue this momentum. What exact indicators will give us confirmation on a continuation here. And all I ask in return is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over SOS with you guys here on the 5-minute chart. Then I'm going to back up to the 4-hour chart so you guys can see what we're looking out for overall. But before we do get started, I want to mention that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts of the day. Today we started the day off with SESN, about 18% on that breakout. And the story of the day, which we also did mention the video yesterday on, was HX. Today halted at $11.88, jumping up all the way to $21 on the day, over about 80% on that breakout. So if you guys do want to see all of our breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. So as you guys can see here on the 5-minute chart, we have been continuing on up throughout the day. We did come down in the middle of the day. We did come down and tested that 50-day moving average. We bounced off of it, bounced right above this 20-day moving average, and then had that bounce and had that continuation on up. Now respecting the 20-day moving average, looking to see if we can continue on with that momentum. And as you guys can see, going to extended hours, we bounced off the 20-day moving average at that point in time as we were respecting that 20-day moving average, and we did have this major bounce at this point in time. Now looking to see if we can continue on with this momentum that we did see going to extended hours. Now I'm going to back up here to the 4-hour chart so you guys can see what we're looking out for overall. We do have very key points that we need to make sure we can hold above. Again, I'm going to go over the VPVR here. This is the volume profile, the most amount of volume that was traded within the stock's time period. I'm going to show you guys exactly which key levels we are trying to hold above here. So as you guys can see, we had that major spike today. Looking to see if we can climb and reclaim this $2.94 mark. We did have our continuation sell off from this point. You guys can see we did not hold the body of the candle above this $2.94 mark, and also having multiple rejections to the upside at this point in time, having multiple rejections to the upside at this point in time as well. Again, having a continuation sell off and multiple rejections to the upside here at $2.98. So looking to see if we can climb back up over $2.98 is what we're looking for, and to have that possible gap up here. And in my opinion, the play that I'll be looking for is to break over $3.25 with confirmation. I'm going to show you guys exactly which confirmation that is, to possibly gap up here to $4.06. If we can hold over $4.06, then I would be looking to see if we can gap up here and test this $5 mark. If we can break over $5, then we could see a possible gap up here to our next level up here at $7.72. As you guys can see, this is where we began to continue to sell off here on SOS. So again, this is our major gap up point, in my opinion, to break back over $5. So I'm going to go over exactly what's going to give us confirmation to break above this $3.25 mark to possibly have that gap up here to $4.06. Now I'm going to back up to the 1-hour chart so you guys can see what exactly we will be looking out for to have confirmation here. So as you guys can see here on the MACD, we had that increase in buy pressure. We had that previous buy pressure point that we are trying to break above here, but we also do have, again, that bounce from $3.25 with that buy pressure at this point right here. Looking to see if we can confirm above that $3.25 mark. So I would be setting our alert here on the MACD right above that previous buy pressure point. So that way, if it does break above it, then we will have more confirmation on that breakout. And to set the alert here, you go over the plus sign here, you click add alert, and you can put the alert right above your previous buy pressure point. So that way, if it does break above it, then you will have confirmation on momentum at that point in time. And that doesn't mean exactly at $3.25. That's exactly when it will break above. We could break over $3.25 and also not have confirmation here on the buy pressure, which would give us a weak hand. So again, that would give us an indication on how long I would be holding into that breakout over $3.25. So again, making sure we do keep that into account. And also again, of course, Bitcoin breaking back up to 66,000 and holding over 66,000 is exactly very key for us to have a possible continuation for every one of these Bitcoin stocks. So backing up here to the 4-hour chart so you guys can see what we're looking out for to get that continuation momentum here is to get the 20-day moving average to cross above the 50 here on the 4-hour chart. As you guys can see, we have been continuing on down every time we do have the 20-day moving average below the 50. Again, the 20-day moving average is the yellow line and the 50-day moving average is the red. And you guys can see every time we do cross down below it, we do have that bearish momentum. Looking to see if we can cross back above here and get that confirmation on that 1-hour chart on the MACD would be exactly what I'll be looking for to get that breakout above this $3.25 mark. So again, SOS will definitely be on the watch, but again, making sure we do watch every one of these levels to make sure we do get that gap up and momentum to the upside and that strong momentum rather than getting that choppy momentum that would give us a possible sell-off. And again, if you guys do want to see all of our breakout alerts of the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a breakout alert that again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel, all of you instables that have been coming over and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. As always, much love to every one of you guys. And I am hoping that Bitcoin does continue to break continue highs so that way we can get more momentum here on every one of these Bitcoin stocks, of course. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help to find it and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.